Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 2022, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, just a simple swipe down from the top of the screen, extend the list, and somewhere here you'll find the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now it could be on one of the pages. It looks like for me it's on the second one. You can see it not right here. Never mind. Guess I'm gonna keep on looking. Oh, there we go. It's on the first page. Now normally it would have a moon icon, but it looks like this one has a little bit of a different one. I think a little older looking one. So anyway, once you find the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now in here you can customize how it will function. So go over all the settings, customize them to fit your needs, and then you can close this and never come back here again, assuming you don't want to change anything. Now just to quickly go into this, probably some of the more important settings here would be things like people. So this will allow you to set up who can call you or message you, and schedule, which will allow you to set up a automatic schedule, so Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically based on the provided hour and also day of the week. So anyway, close this. Now whenever you want to use it, you can just simply tap on a toggle like this and it gets enabled. You can see this little icon right here to signify that it's right now running, and that's all you do. Now once you're done with it and you enabled it manually, I do urge you to try and remember to turn it off yourself, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. So there we go. And obviously if you're using schedule, like this one right here, if you want to use it, just make sure that it's toggled on in here like this, and that's all you would need to do. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.